To install the new Outlook email plugin with SmartVault, you will need to start at help.smartvault.com. Here, you will need to type in Outlook, install, and navigate to the Installing Outlook plugin for SmartVault page. From here, you will scroll down and select the Download the Installation file. You will then need to open. Then you will select Setup and follow the instructions there. Once you follow the instructions and the install is complete, you will go to Open Outlook. This will have you enter your SmartVault user ID here and press OK. You will then be prompted to get a PIN, which we will click. This will open up a new page for you to sign into SmartVault. And you select this PIN and enter into Outlook. Once you press OK, you can start using the SmartVault Outlook plugin. Now that you have Outlook open and the product installed, you should see two Upload and Sync Now icons up here in the top Outlook toolbar. This new Outlook plugin gives us a few options. You can upload one-off emails, sync whole conversations, or even send links to files within SmartVault straight from your email. If you'd like to just upload one email, you can do so by selecting the email you'd like to upload. Then coming over here to the Upload Emails button. And you can either upload the email with or without attachments. Here is where it will populate your SmartVault accounts, where you can go in and choose where you would like to save into. So I'm going to go in, save to my test account. I want this to go into my correspondence folder, and then press Upload Files. Once it is uploaded, you will receive a notification telling you it was successful. Now, if I pull up my SmartVault account to see what that looks like, we can go to Files and Folders here and go to our test client to look for that email. And now you can see that email has been uploaded. Next, let's go over how to sync all emails from one sender or from a conversation. To note, you will need to do this with an email that is in your main inbox, not one that is maybe in one of the folders you have here on the left. We're going to go ahead and use this test email again I have here. Then we're going to come up here and press Sync Now. This is going to come up with this pop-up, and we have a couple of options to choose from. First off, you can sync all emails no matter the conversation from this one sender, or you can sync all emails of just this conversation. In this case, let's just select all emails from this sender. And I'm going to go into my main account. And again, we're going to select our test client. And this time, let's put it in the permanent file. And press Sync Now. Once it is synced, it will give you a notification that it was synced successfully. Now let's take a look at it within our SmartVault page. Go back to our Acme Inc. in our permanent folder. You can see our test email sent here, along with any other email from this sender. Something to note when you are syncing a conversation: each time a reply within that conversation happens, it will replace the email in SmartVault with the full thread. You can look at the version history within the properties here on the email in question to view any previous emails within that thread. Once you have synced an email within SmartVault, you will see here in the email preview in Outlook that one, it is synced with SmartVault, so it will have that tag, and it will also include a line here that Maddie Liebes is a customer within SmartVault. If you prefer not to have that within the preview, we do have the option to take that off. To customize those settings, you'll select the email and go to View here in the toolbar at the top, and then View Settings. Within the columns area, you can select which parts you would like to have in that preview. A couple things to note is you might need to change the max number of lines within your preview to 3, and then go down to user-defined fields in Inbox to take a look. And now you can see SmartVault here, and you can remove if you do not want it. Once customized, press OK. Now, if you would like to go in and unsync an email, you can do so by clicking on that email and going to the arrow within Sync Now and pressing Unsync. And you will receive a notification once unsynced. Now let's go through how to send files from SmartVault via this email plugin. I'm going to go ahead and create a new email draft. You put in the sender and your subject line. And to attach a link, you come up here to Send Link, Insert Link, and it will have this pop up. Now the document I want to send is within this account. Go to your client vault, select the form, and press OK. And it will populate a link. Something to note, the recipient here does need to have access to SmartVault into that particular folder in order to access this document via this link. You also have the option to request certain files from your recipient. Note, this is not a request docs list feature. Essentially, you can just include a link to a particular folder you'd like your client to upload into. To do so, within this new email draft, we'll come up here and press Request Files and go through and select the folder we would like our client to upload into. And press OK. And it will create this area when they click on here, and they can go and upload into the folder. Again, to note, they will need to have access to the folder you are sending them. That is it for our new email plugin feature. Thank you for watching.